Welcome to the Shoaib Sports Company.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। शुएब स्पोर्ट्स कंपनी पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है जो गुज़िश्ता 20 साल से पाकिस्तान में इंटरनेशनल मेयार के मुताबिक जिम इक्विपमेंट्स बना रही है, जो कि हम पाकिस्तान समेत दूसरे ममालिक में भी एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। जो हमारा मकसद जो है, नौजवान नस्ल को इंटरनेशनल मेयार के मुताबिक अच्छी और मेयारी और कम पैसों में मशीनरी फ्राहम करना है।
Shoaib Sports Company is the Pakistan's first and biggest manufacturing company of fitness machinery and sports equipment from more than 20 years. We do all the process of making machinery for fitness centers under one roof, and we use 12 gauge pipe to make the frames of the machine. Our all staff are highly qualified for making fitness equipment, and we are using latest machinery for CNC cutting, CNC bending, CO2 welding, and grinding, painting and fitting, etc. After cutting the pipe under the supervision of qualified supervisor, we bend the pipe on the computerized bend machine on our required angle. We use 12 gauge iron sheet for machine. For accurate cutting, we use latest laser CNC machine. For superior quality, we use CO2 welding because pure CO2 provides very deep weld penetration, which is useful for welding thick materials. For smooth finishing, we grind each and every joint after welding. Each part is carefully measured and then welded to meet our desired and specific angle. The parts are grinded over again for the final shape. We do the lathe work ourselves and each of our craftsmen does their job well. We focus more on lathe work because if the required part does not adjust correctly in machine, the machine will not work properly. Due to the best attention, we made our equipment as per international standards.
ये हमारी वेट प्लेट्स हैं जो हम
Here
मशीनों
is our
में
weight plates which are we using in our machine for weight. We tool these plates 1 to 2 millimeter because during cutting there are minor difference in their weight.
जब ये माल मिल से निकलता है इसके साइज में बहुत
Iron
फ़र्क
plates
आता है।
are costly but more
यहाँ पे हम
powerful and beneficial than cast iron plates because cast iron plates are
तो
breakable
ये भी
and
तकरीबन
solid iron
10
plates
से
are
1100 तक की
unbreakable.
आती है, यानी कि इसको
You
अगर
can
आप
see if we
250
drop
ग्राम भी
them
दे
from
देंगे
height, these plates have no risk of break or damage. Before painting the machine, we process it from our sand blasting plant because if there is any rust or color on it, it will be clean. After the sand blasting process, we carefully apply electrostatic powder coating paint on our machine. We use the best commercial ply in our machine seats which we cut in our wood cutting section because we need accurate fitting as required for our machine. We use diamond foam for our seats so that we can create the best and most comfortable seats. In machine fitting, we use imported pulleys and wires and best international quality material. The fitting of the machine is done very carefully, and before delivery of machine, our quality in charge inspect the machine very carefully. After all this factory process, the machine sent to our Shoaib Sports showroom at Laras Road, Lahore. All types of international fitness machinery are also available at Shoaib Sports showroom, and all types of imported food supplements which are 100% authentic, original, available at affordable prices. Shoaib Sports Company is the only company in Pakistan which is providing you the best fitness machinery as per international standards at reasonable prices. You can also contact us for any machine you want to make as per your requirement.